let's take a look at this app. It's called Tester Buddy. So here it is. It's a pretty cool app to earn some revenue just from your phone, and you can earn some, a few dollars here, a few dollars there. It's an innovative online service platform designed to empower individuals by giving them a voice in shaping the products and services they use on a daily basis. With a strong belief in the power of collective opinions, Tester Buddy provides a convenient and engaging platform for users to share their thoughts and insights through online surveys. At Tester Buddy, we understand that every individual has unique perspectives and experiences that deserve to be heard. That's why we have created a user-friendly interface that allows participants to easily navigate through a wide variety of surveys covering diverse topics and industries. So yeah, that's the app, and let's check it out if it's legit app and can you earn revenue with it. So here is the app, and you right now you are not doing surveys, you're just playing games. So this app is right now focusing on games. So you have first game you need to play to unlock more. When you're just starting the game, you see that the payout threshold is only like $1. So it's not much, but you need to get like 6,999 points to get that. You can see it in the top. Just when you sign up, you can see that there is already 3,600 like welcome bonus for you, and you just need to get another 3,400 points to get started. So that what you see here, and then yeah, that's what it is. So then you just need to play, and then you can see that if you tap this link, you are redirected to this specific app, which you need to install only from the link in Tester Buddy app. So you can't just go and download this app. I think then it's just not gonna count. And then I think you need to open it up, and then you can try to play it. There are no like many instructions, but then yeah, you just need to play it here. So yeah, something like that, and then you're just playing it out, and it's like a simple game, and you're just getting coins for that. And by just playing this, as you can see, I'm earning coins already. So if I just completed this, I have some coins and I can just get more. So then I just do the simple game. You can just play this game while you're commuting and stuff, but you can earn some additional revenue for playing it. There are a bunch of other ways, like not coin, where you can just tap the button, hamster combat, things like that, where you just tap the button basically, and then you can earn some money just for that, instead of just playing stupid game and earning nothing. At least here you can earn like $10, whatever. Well, I'm not sure if you can actually get like $10, but let's just see what will happen. I will try to play it for like 1 minute and see if it's then reflected in Tester Buddy app. Oh, all right. So seems there is some kind of like a time notification here. So now level 2. And then yeah, that's how I played here. And then something like that, level completed. So now I see that, and then okay, so now let's just go to Tester. Go back to Tester Buddy app. So I don't know why it's not kind of reflected in tester body. So probably you just really need to play more, and then all right, so you just need to do it very careful, as you can see. So you install the app, and then here you need to tap play, and then you open it up. So then you need to follow the buttons very carefully from tester body app, because otherwise it's just not gonna be tracked. So for example, I just did that. Then if you need any help, you need to contact support at tester body. So I guess, yeah, it's just important to get started and just keep playing it, because otherwise it's just not gonna work.
Respect.
So I don't know, at the moment it's not really working, but the idea is good. Like, and also you can invite a friend here, so feel free to use my code and then I can just get some. I can double my earnings. I don't know which benefits you're getting, and then you have payout, which you have here. There is like $1 payout for like 7,000 points, and $50 payout for 100,000 points, which you get here. Start playing to get your first payout. But as you can see, this app is a bit glitchy for me. Probably, yeah, you need to really play
User.
quite
Your mobile
a
phone
long
has
time
not
to
been
figure it
activated
out, and just be quite careful. So I would adjust you, to install tester body, install the app, see if it's added in tester body, then try to play this game, see if it's being reflected. So don't go to like level 50 whatever, and don't spend 2 hours without clearly seeing that the app is being tracked in tester body, because you will just waste your coins in tester body. So that's what you can see here, and then I just see it here. So then I just put it here. Oops, I think that was a wrong move, but so then I did that. So let's see. All right, so now I see some coins being added. So now it's kind of being tracked. I don't know why I don't still see the bonus, but I collecting my points. So then it's kind of working. So yeah, after few tries, it's kind of working finally. So yeah, you just need to open it up again and again to have that start to work. And then here you just see this. And this app can become quite complicated on deeper levels. So let's see now if I can clear this. So yeah, now level completed. Another points, and tap next. And then if I go to, so now it didn't work. So anyhow, this is a bit buggy and glitchy, but anyhow, that's what you can need to do. And then you need to finish the first game too. All right, so then I just, all right, so here now I restarted the app, and now it's kind of synced again. So, and then you will see all the bonuses here. So yeah, seems it's working, but you just need to restart the app a few times. So there you have it.